All right, so shout out to Ugochi. That's right, let's hear it for Ugochi. Shout out to her for setting her name, one of her names for today's Igbo name of the day, right? So she was given 2 Igbo names by her husband, from her husband, and one of them is Ugochi. All right, so you guys ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ugo means like glory or honor or magnificence, you know, something like that. Yeah, basically like, yeah, glory, honor, magnificence. It also can mean eagle, like a magnificent creature, like a magnificent bird, or just an animal that flies in the air. Like that's kind of like the representation of, you know, magnificence, but kind of in, you know, a form of a living thing. You get what I'm saying? So it could mean an eagle, you know, like a magnificent, beautiful, amazing bird, right? Like kind of like the top predator or the top majestic type of bird, right? That's Ugo. And Chi means like the Holy Spirit or your guardian angel, your destiny, like your personal relationship with God. So that's Chi. So you put those 2 together, Ugochi basically means God's glory, you know, right? I guess the literal translation can kind of mean like God's eagle, but you know, it's kind of more like, you know, God's glory, God's magnificence, things like that. Ugochi. So yeah, it's kind of like God's honor, God's glory, right? So Ugochi's names give them the power to have personalities that are larger than life. They love public speaking, and they have great reputations. Tag and share this video with all the Ugochis that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil nanu wakwezonu?
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So, if you would like your very own Igbo name, let me know in the comment section. My Instagram is also linked there. If you are thinking about adding a new addition to your family, you're expecting a child, and you're not sure what to name that child, but you want to reconnect with your African culture, let me know and I can give you a name that's based off of your wishes for that child, what you would like to speak into that child's life, what you would like that child to become in the future, and just manifest into that child's existence, right? So also, if you would like an Igbo name for yourself, I could also give you one too. So just hit me up on my Instagram DM or in the comment section down below. Instagram DM might be good if you would like to send me a private message, but I can give you an Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series on that playlist. So check that playlist out on this channel. And if you have an Igbo name, basically I can feature your Igbo name, right? Kind of like Ugochi's on this Igbo Name of the Day feature. So videos like this are important because basically any name that you, for example, that you would like me to give you, right? If you tell me personality traits and things like that, I can give you a matching Igbo name according to the concept that you have in mind. In our culture, we believe that the blessings and the essence of that name is spoken into existence anytime someone says your name, right? So it's like you're walking in blessing, you're walking in excellence anytime someone says your name. And they're not just saying your name like Ugochi, they're speaking the greatness of that name into your life and into your presence and into your, just your being every single time they say your name, right? So that's why African names carry so much meaning. I think it's something that we kind of take for granted, and I would like to reconnect, just people all around people in the Black diaspora all around the world with the meaning of their original names, right? Because I believe that's what will help us out as a people. Of course, we have to go out there and, do the work, hold ourselves accountable and work hard. But I believe the first part of that, our identity, right? They're coming from our names will be a good place to start. So let me know what you think about this concept of reconnecting the people in the Black diaspora all around the world with their original names. Let me know in the comment section down below. All of your likes and comments are really appreciated. They go a really long way to helping me grow this YouTube algorithm. And every time you like or you comment it, what it does is it teaches the YouTube algorithm something new. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that people like you enjoy this content, and then it can recommend this to other people just like you and us who would basically like to know more about African culture, right? So if you like watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, just tap it really lightly instead for me, all right? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next. Watch to the end of this video, and YouTube will recommend 2 new videos from my channel that you might like to watch. They might be about photography, since I'm a photographer, or it might be about editing or motivation, or another Igbo name of the day or Igbo name of the day giveaway type video, right? Thanks a lot. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.